Hi, my name is Tonja Romero. You're here with Stamping with Tonja. This is my first ever video, so I hope you enjoy. What we're going to be making today is this cute little sour cream container for Halloween with a little Happy Halloween and Boo on it. Just too cute! And of course we're going to be putting some chocolate in that little baby. What we're going to do first is to take a 6x6 piece of designer series paper, and this is from the Spice Cake series that's in the Holiday Mini. The first thing you want to do after you have your 6x6 piece, you want to put some sticky strip along the left hand side and then along about an inch along the bottom center. And then what you want to do is peel off the pink, as I like to call it. So we're going to pop this. Then what you want to do is you want to roll it over, sort of like making a, well, you're going to be making a tube with it. And then once you've done that, you just want to press down along the edge. And then we're going to squeeze the end with the adhesive that was in it. We're going to squeeze that or pinch that. And then what you want to do is you're going to be taking your crimper and putting that end in the crimper, and you just want to click about 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all you need. It's this little texture edge right here, which is really very nice. It adds dimension. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pop in. I have some Hershey's here. We're just going to pop in there. I think maybe we can fit 2 in this one. And then you want to press the top down opposite the bottom. It goes this way, and that forms your little sour cream container. And then what you want to do is take the crocodile, and we're going to be using the larger hole in, the 3/16, and punching a hole in that. And now it's all ready for our tag and ribbon. And the way we made the tag was to take Versamark ink and the lovely letters alphabet set, and I'm going to put these really close together so that they'll fit within my punch, and I'm going to make them a little crooked too to add. Don't forget, when you have your Versamark, when you put it away, you want to store it upside down so all the liquid goes to the top of the sponge. Now what we're going to do is grab our black embossing powder, and then we're going to take our heat gun and heat that baby up. And then what we're going to do is punch that out with our 2 3/8 scallop circle punch. That baby out. And then we're going to add a little dimension just by taking the Peach Parfait ink and a sponge, because this is Peach Parfait paper. And we're just going to use this highly skilled technique where we ink up our sponge and then run that around the edge of our cardstock. And then the other thing that we're going to do here is we're going to take another piece of the Peach Parfait cardstock with our Versamark, and then we're going to take the Happy Halloween, and that comes from the Teeny Tiny Wishes stamp set. I'm going to stamp that in Versamark, and then we're going to take our black embossing powder and the heat tool. I shouldn't call it a heat gun, it's the heat tool. To do is we're going to take the decorative label punch Place the Happy Halloween towards the bottom of the punch. And then what I'm going to do is take the part that's already punched out, slide it in the top of my punch, just like this. And once I have it in there, I'm going to squeeze a little on the punch so it holds. And there we have our Happy Halloween to add. Then we just want to take the boo, punch a hole in that with the larger hole in the crocodile, and then you want to take the Happy Halloween and punch a hole in that with a smaller hole on the crocodile. And then we're just going to run some linen thread through the Happy Halloween and tie that onto the boo. And I'm just going to tie that with a knot. I'm not going to get real fancy with that. This linen thread is great for tying on little tags like this. It's definitely a must-have in your Stampin' supplies. And once you have that, then what you want to do is to take some of this luscious Early Espresso ribbon that is also new and in the mini of this. And there you go. What a great treat. Just any little thing. Just have a friend over for coffee and give them a little treat. Okay, until next time, you guys take care out there. Bye-bye.